Hello everyone, my name is Yomi. Today I'm gonna show you how to make my menu like this in Godot. So let's check it out. Okay, first thing you want to do is add node called control node here, double click it and rename this. What do you want to rename? I call this main menu because we will make main menu. So next, add node called button. Just typing here. Now we have button. Make it bigger and change text to play. Of course, we are already done. So we have button now. Next, let's change style of the button. Go to inspector and search font. Font size, of course. Change the value of font size. So you look better now. Your font look better now. Okay, I think it's better. Now we have button real button. Go to the style and check normal and change the value of the normal to this. Okay, our button have background now. Next, let's make the button look better. You can try anything in inspector, but I will speed up this because it's wasting your time. I don't like wasting your time. So let's make the text going to black. But I will choose what I want to use only. Okay, we got it. So let's play the scene so we can know what we have. We have the problem. When I click it, the background going to different. Don't worry, we will fix it. Just drag it with left click and drag to there and there and there. I forget. Okay. I think better look one. So let's change the color of the background. Look this. If you already change the color, right click here and change to Unix, of course. So I will speed up this. Of course, the button works normally. Okay, now let's duplicate this button like this, Ctrl T. So we have 3 buttons now. Just change name it. What button we want to use? I need play, option, and exit. Of course. Now just click left click. Now just do like this and click it again. Do like this too. Nice. So now we have 3 buttons. Change name the text on the button. Change this option. Change this to exit. Okay. We have 3 control button now, but it's very messy, so I will add VBox container. Just and right click and replace to new parent and change to VBox container. Nice, this is VBox container. So it look like organizer. Okay, we can make it what we want to make, but we have problem. If put it down, it still become flat. So let's block it again and click layout in inspector, click layout, container zizzing, and go expand. So now we can expand this what we want to want. Okay, if you wanna send the menu to center like this, you just click there and click there. So now menu on center of screen. So next let's make a title screen. Just click it and click label. Nah, this label. Okay, if in there, just drop it to here like this and send it to up. Just typing the title main menu. You can change it whatever you want. Click label setting, new label setting, click it. Click font. If you wanna change the font, don't use this, but you just drop the font you have to there. Nice. Okay. So change the size to bigger one. Outline. This one for outline. Just make it black and now we have outline. Just change size to bigger one. I think I will use 100. Okay, I think enough. 100. Okay, nice. Now we have title screen. Change it to center and put it up. Nice. Okay, now we have my menu. We have proper my menu. So we don't have background. Let's add some background. We will add this background here like this, but we not use 2D node. We can use UE. Just typing texture edge like this, double click it. So we have texture edge and put it at texture. Nice, we have texture right now. We have background now. Just resizing it. What do you want to resize? Nice, and send it to back, of course. Now we have better one. Now let's add some animation to our menu. So we have better one. Just click it and click animation player. Just typing it here, animation player. Okay, double click it, create and put it down. Okay, duplicate this. So we have 3 of animation player. Just check name it for the function. I need title, I need to background, and I need transition. Okay, nice. So let's setting the animation. Just click it. So window of animation will open. Click new and change it to title. Okay, we have a new animation. Change it to how long the animation want to run. I think 5 for title is enough. Just click the title, yes, this title, and click keyframe to lock the position. And change the position and lock it again. So this will move up like this. Okay, change. Nice. And to make it looping but reverse, you just tap it, it will reverse. Nice, I love this. enough. So let's setting the background too. Just click the background animation player, texture edge. I think it's not enough long, just put it down like this, and click background animation new, change name to background. I think hexagon is better one. Just click texture edge and keyframe it and go to the end, so we can change the position and make it like parallel background. Okay, just keyframe again. Now it will move. Don't forget to change the loop and see this. Whoa. Now we have parallel background. If it too fast, you just change the second. Okay, now we have 3 animation. Just add transition effect. I use color rec here to add dark transition. Put it like this. I'm sorry, it's wrong. Okay, like this. I will change the color to the black. Nice. Now just put the color edge on the my menu. Nice. We have better one. Now let's make the color edge ignore the mouse, so we can click background. Now let's add transition to animation. Click new animation, change name the transition in I think 3 seconds, 2 seconds. Of course, nice. Just click keyframe. Wait. Click texture edge, color edge, and click keyframe. Next, just change visibility. Click module. Put it there. Click keyframe. Okay, great. And put it to back, and module. You just put it to left, to right. Just put it to right, like this. So color edge will disappear. Now we have transition in. Click new animation. Typing out. We call this out animation, and it the reverse of the in animation. From the invisible to 2 seconds to visible, just like this. Nice. Don't forget to keyframe, lock with keyframe. So we had out transition. Now we add script. This is important part, so don't skip my videos. Okay, the first thing you do is give signal for any button here. Just click the button. So you can click note and press. Add a script to my menu, but you can change the name to play. Do it add option 2. Click press it and change to option. Click exit and press it and change name to exit. So any button have any signal. We focus on exit. Just simple get 3. And quit. So if we click exit, it will quit. Because we don't have option menu, just change it to print. Print. Option. Nice. For the play option, you can change to the scenes what you want use next. I already have loading scenes, so I will put this. When you put play button, you just so I have loading scenes, so if you click play button, it will go to loading scenes. Get 3 and change the scenes to file to loading. So if you click it, it will go to loading screen. Now for transition, it auto transition, play, play, okay, play, and you snap out. We must await before code execute. Await transition over first. Animation finish. So after animation finish, it will go to loading screen. We can summon animation title and background now. Click function and ready. Nice. This is tap enter and just drag it to here and play in transition. Nice. Let's try this. Nice. But we background and title never move. We will fix it soon. Click exit. Nice. Exit button all work. Click enter, enter. Just put it here and play and background. We will play animation background and title already. If script ready execute, it will play all this animation. Title, nice. Let's try it. Nice. I think all is work. Now let's try all the button function. Just tap it. Nice. Option all work. Play. Exit, exit. Exit work too. And let's try click play. Nice. Play work too. So this is my menu tutorial. If you like my video, just do it liking, and if you love my channel, just go subscribe. If you have any question, just put it in commentar below. My name is Yomi. Sayonara.